back to my channel. Today I'm gonna have another review for you, and this time I'm going to try and review together with you this microfiber rose velvet sponge by Juno and Co, which I've shown you in my recent Beauty Bay haul. So if you haven't seen that video, I will list it down on the description box, but I've heard a lot of good things about this sponge, so I was really curious to test it. Now, it's also coming with a leaflet, with a pamphlet. You have some instructions how to use it. Now this is how it looks dry, and because we don't want to make it any favor, I am going to test it against my old and almost out of order classic beauty blender. So both are almost the same color, pink, and some people are telling that this sponge is even better than the beauty blender it is. So this is also coming in blue shade. However, I choose the pink one because I'm a girl and I prefer more pink. I don't know if there is some difference between the blue and the pink one. So they say to use it wet or dry to apply makeup products, liquid foundations and concealers, contour, blush, highlighters, loose powders and powder foundations. Okay, I have chosen to use it today for my liquid foundation. I will also have a cream contour and concealer. And probably we will also use it for a cream blush. But let me tell you more information about the price. So on their website, the Juno.co, this product retails for $6. So really good. I think the original beauty blender in US retails for $20. So this is like, how much? Less than 1/3 of the price. So yeah. Descriptions. Sip sip hooray! The Juno Velvet Rosey has all the amazing microfiber technology in a perfect for you pink shade that is 30% softer. So you can always rosé the day. How to use? Use it wet, wet it, squeeze it, stipple it. Perfect for liquid foundations, concealers and contouring. Use it dry, dip, tap, pat. Perfect for powder bronzers, blush and highlighters. Okay, I'm not going to try it for powder products. We are going to stick with the liquid and cream foundations and face products for today. I will go to wet this bad boy and I will come back. And this is how it looks when it is dampened. So it's quite huge, and the texture is different. You can definitely feel this is more spongy than this actually it is. So this looks and feels more like a velvet little thing. So I'm really excited to see how it will work. One thing, it will be a bit strange because they said you can also use this for concealer, so we will see if I will be able to blend, because my space here is quite small, so that's why I prefer to use the micro sponge from Beauty Blender, but we will see if it will be able to deliver the same results. So I've already applied my primer. I don't want to do anything that it will take the credit out from this product, so I'm doing my usual makeup routine or my usual foundation routine. So I've applied this Smashbox Photo Finish Original Primer, and now I'm also going to use one foundation that I know I can trust and rely on. So this is my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation that I have it in the shade Y235. Unfortunately, the pump is broken, so I need to find some replacement for my pump, so I need to be careful to not spill myself. If I haven't said before, we will use this side of the face to apply the foundation using the Juno Eyeko sponge, and on my left side of the face I will use the original beauty blender. This is the maximum zoom, but it's okay, it's visible. And let me get that hair out of the face. So remember, today we are not testing foundation, but an actual tool. One thing I haven't seen mentioned there, but I was reading on the reviews, is the fact that it claims to absorb less product than other regular beauty sponges. But I can tell you from the first application that I've noticed my foundation was spread really fast, and it looks quite flawless. Of course, the foundation is also good. It's a foundation that I really love. It was blending everything seamlessly, so I love it. Now let's recall how it is to use our regular beauty blender, sorry. So yeah, I have my first thoughts. If you are able to tell, on my right cheek I have slightly more coverage than I have on my left cheek. Any idea why it happens that? I will tell you why. Because this product, this sponge, didn't absorb so much foundation, and the actual foundation was able to cover my area, the surface of my face. It was able to provide me better coverage from the same foundation, while the beauty blender was eating more product. Hence I have more medium coverage, so my skin is seen more through the foundation that I've applied with the original beauty blender than I see it on the area where I've applied using the Juno Eyeko sponge. So I wasn't expecting this. I'm really surprised. Let's go ahead now and apply the concealer. For today I'm going to use my new favorite concealer, that is by CoverFX, Power Play Concealer. I have it in the shade N Light 1. Of course, this is not very important, but I just want to also let you know what products I'm using when I'm doing my makeup. So, I need to squeeze it because it's a bit fat. So I told you that my space area here is not that big to begin with. So the application is flawless. Look how nice and perfect and how good coverage I was getting from this concealer when I was tapping it with this Juno Eyeko blender. And by the way, I purchased this product with my own money. I want to make this disclaimer to not be misunderstood that they have sent it to me. They didn't send me anything. They don't know that I exist. So this product, I purchased it from Beauty Bay. Okay, now let's do the same thing on my left eye using the original beauty blender. I will choose a clean spot. I don't see any difference on the coverage and of the finished result of application of my concealer. Well, I've pat it with the sponge, with the Juno Eyeko sponge on the right side, and doing the same on my left side. So I think they are both seamlessly blended and I have the same coverage. I even think that I have less coverage here because I've applied a bit less concealer on my right eye, but I will rectify this now, so I will add just a bit. Really, really nice. Now let's go ahead and apply the cream contour. So this is one of my holy grail cream contour by Makeup Forever. And we are going to stipple it. So again, I noticed the same approach like I've done with the foundation. I noticed that the product is blended, it's really fast on the skin, so just few dab 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 and the product is already melted together on the skin. So this is the finished result. Again, I don't think that I see any difference on the finished result of my contour when I'm using the Beauty Blender versus Juno Eyeko sponge. I feel that I get the same coverage and the same application, so maybe I'm wrong. You tell me if you notice any difference. For the final step, I am gonna use the cream blush that I have it from Milk Cosmetics. From this point of view, I don't notice any difference. So far, the only difference that I've noticed on Juno Eyeko sponge against the Beauty Blender is that it's delivering more coverage. So if you have a foundation that is light to medium coverage, if you are using this sponge, you will get almost the same coverage that you are getting when you are using your brush. It blends perfectly, seamlessly and delivers you a great coverage, and also the application is really fast, so it's blending in no minutes. Whilst the original Beauty Blender, it soaks up more product, hence the coverage that it offers is slightly less. I don't want to say that this is a bad product, no way, I love it, and sometimes I love to get less coverage. I am a kind of person that prefers light to medium coverage, so from this reason I always go back to my original Beauty Blender, but I love, oh my god, I love the finish and the coverage that this product provides to me. I love the way that it was working and how fast it was able to blend my foundation. It was like in no minutes, so I will highly recommend this product. Okay, I will go away and I will apply the rest of my makeup. I'm going to film another video and I will come back for my final thoughts. So what are my final thoughts regarding the microfiber Rosey Velvet Sponge by Juno Eyeko? You probably are already guessing that I love it. I really love it. So I love the way how it spreads the foundation on top of my skin, the coverage that it offers, overall coverage that I have on my right chin. Now I will not say that the Beauty Blender is bad and you should dump it. No, but comparing the price that you pay for this retails for $6 and the Beauty Blender you pay 3 times more. I will definitely recommend you to purchase it. I love this because it's 2-in-1. It gives you the coverage that the brush does, but in the same time you have the flawless finish that a beauty sponge it offers to you. So I highly recommend you to try this product. that was all for today. Now please let me know in your comments down below if you have tried this sponge and what are your thoughts about it, or if not, if you are interested now to purchase it and give it a go. Please let me know all this info down below on the description box. And other than that, I hope you will subscribe before you leave if you enjoy the content of this channel and you like to see more of me. And also, if you do so, don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I'm also on my social, I will link them down below on the description box. And other than that, I want to wish you all to have a great, blessed day ahead, and I will see you again on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.